everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of a certain item. It's like a funnel. I was contacted by this company. I will put all their information down in the description box. I was contacted by them to review their product. It is kind of sponsored, not sponsored. I'm not being paid for my opinion. They just send me the item for free for me to test it and show you guys and tell you all about them. They are an online store and like in Amazon's, and an item that you can get in the Amazons. And I will link everything, and if I forget, I will put it here in the video. Let me see if they included a little paper from their products. But let me see. Nope, they didn't include. So what they were telling me, they were gonna include some items, and I already have opened the box, and look at this. They told me to review. So this is an unboxing review of this product, and they have sent me one packet of the new design 2017. It says deluxe edition, Lebice Popsicle molds, and this one I believe it's in color yellow. Let me see, I will open it, and this is the product. It looks like it has a little funnel, and then the little tray. It's kind of like a hard plastic, and it includes the little cleaning device. That's neat. And then the plastic molds for making popsicles. And it's just like that. The plastic, I gotta say, it's really sturdy. It seems like it's going to hold the liquid. And I guess you just put it like this. That's how, oh, wrong side. You put it like this. Look at that. Yay. And to fill the container here, it includes a little funnel. I thought there were only funnels, to tell the truth. This online store. I can't remember. I got this item before I had, ooh, look, it's like silicone. It's not a toy, Luna. And I received this item before I went into my labor and delivery. Actually, my daughter was sick when I received it, so I wasn't able to do the review. But look at that. You can put the thing here and then put the liquid, and then you can fill it up really easily. Look at that. It's silicone, and it's hard plastic over here. So that's very neat. So I have, yes, Mama, we have the yellow section. It is really fun, and it's kind of very convenient now that we're on spring, and then we are coming into hot days. And I like this because it's very helpful when you have this kind of little scrubbers that you can clean up tight spaces in there. The next item here is like the same thing, but it's in color blue. I'm just gonna, ooh, I like the color of the funnel because it's like turquoise. It's the same item, just in color blue. Ooh, excuse me, just in color blue. So very nice. I do like that they sent over 2 items. My gosh, when you have kids, it's so hard to keep things away from them, right? The next thing that they have included, here are these Lebice Pops. So the same brand. And these are with a folding funnel. Oh my gosh, this is so neat. Yes, Mommy. And this comes in this little baggie with the same penguin there. It says it has 50 ice pops, freezer bags with zip look. Huh. Neat. Let's see. Let's open it. Excuse my daughter on the back. Oh, look at that. Cute little baggie. Can you see? It's a cute little baggie that you can make your own popsicles in case like icicles, in case you don't want a popsicle or anything like that. You want to go have it in the go, and it has like this little top part. Is kind of hard to open. because it's really tiny. It has like a Ziploc kind of thing here, and have for your thing. And then on the back here it says, hopefully you can see, it says date and flavor, so you can like write it what flavor you're doing it, in case they don't know. Like red could be watermelon, strawberry, what other things they could have. I'm really looking over here at the back of the box. Well, this one, it has like the color yellows, but this one actually has like the pictures of all the colors of the shh, mommy, please hold on. Yellow, blue, and red, and they have a green, and it says like you can swap, make them look different. Very nice. So that one says it had a funnel, but I didn't see a funnel. Did it have a funnel in there? Oh yeah, it did. So this one includes a green funnel, and it's that silicone funnel as well. So that's neat. I'm very excited about this. I'm actually very, this one, it says BPA free, FDA approved, food safe, freezer safe. It says bonus, you're eligible to get the recipe ebook free. Just sign up to our website. And that's very neat. And they're 50. Oh, sorry about that. They're 50, so that's very nice. And in here they have included 2 more items. It says 2 silicone funnels plus 1 brush as a gift, and it says 3 in 1, and it looks like these are just blue ones. So it looks like this, blue ones, and right here on the back it shows a lady filling up the popsicle containers here with the little funnel. Hopefully you can see. And right here, this one has a black and a pink one, and it looks like it comes in, or it comes in with the little brush itself too. And this little thing, I don't know what this little thing is for. Let me see. It says the benefits for this: made of durable and long-lasting graded silicone. The product is tested by SGS Laboratory and BPA free, resistant to boiling oil, dishwasher safe, practical for transferring liquids or dry ingredients. It will also sit stably on bottles or jars. Wow. Lebice. Thank you for choosing Lebice. And it says 230 degrees resistant. So if you're gonna put maybe oil in there, let's just see the difference on the sizes. Look at that, big one and small one. It also has a little brushy thing. It got squished. I'm thinking that you can just put this in like your dishwasher or your cabinet, and then like hang them. It's like a metal hook, and on the back has one of those sticky things. And look at that, you can just expand it. I think it goes one more. Yep, expanding just like that. And it has this little hook, and then you can just push it back. Yep, you can just push it back right inside. If this were to be hanging, you can just hang it, and it looks really neat. Let's see if we can hang 2 at a time. This one is a way smaller, maybe for smaller things. Maybe I can use this for the popsicles and this for the icicles. It has a nice little size, and it's way smaller than that. You can push it back. It actually really easily, you can push it back, and you can just layer them. Haha, easy access. Let me see if I can push it one more. No, actually that's it. That would push it too far out, too far in. But look at that, you can just hang them like that. So I think they're very helpful. I do like, this is very easily transferable, and you can wash it since they pop out really nicely. Like, this is like the right way. See, like the funnel way, like that. You can, to clean it, you can just like inside out, you can easily clean any residues or anything from whatever liquid or substance you have put in here from any food, and just pop it back up like so to be used. I really like this. I really think just like for first glance or first just for first glance, they look very nice. I can see myself using these for various things. These are also good for crafting if you're doing something with glue, with filling up things with sand. If you're doing something like that, they're very nice. The popsicle things, popsicle molds, 6 ice mold makers with funnels and brushes are very nice now that the hot weather is coming, and I got yellow and blue, very nice. So I thank the people that contact me from Lebice and send me over these items for me to take a look at them and show you guys about them. Down in the description box, remember, I will include the description, not the description, I will include their link to, if you want to buy any of these items, you can buy them. I'm very excited about these the most because I can make like on the go things and like pops, like I call them bolis in Spanish, that you can make bolis, and this one is just call them pops, and these are popsicles, but they're very nice. They look very nice, and thank you again, Lebice, who contacted me to review them and show you guys about the product. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.